Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss an interesting and important topic from the concept of current electricity. That is the resistance connected in series and resistance connected in parallel. V be the applied potential in the circuit. As a result of that, there is a flow of I amount of current in the circuit. As you can see that the current is circulating in the circuit like this. It's having a clockwise current in the circuit. So I is the current which is flowing through R1. The same current is actually flowing through R2 because as you know that current is nothing but current is the flow of charge in unit time. Flow of charge in unit time, which means in 1 second how much coulombs of charge is flowing, the same coulomb of charge should be flowing in the next conductor, because from R1 to R2 current is a flow of electrons. Current is what? Flow of electrons simply. So from R1 to R2 there is only one path. So that's a very important point. That's a common path. Some common path is existing between these two devices. So whatever amount of charge is actually flowing through the R1 resistor is actually sent into R2 resistor itself. That's why both the resistors are sharing common current because of common path. So the first point is current is common. Current is common. Agreed. Let us talk about the second parameter in a circuit. That is of course the voltage. As you know that in a circuit, two parameters are there to govern the circuit. It is current and the voltage. We already talked about the current. Yes, it's common for both the devices. What about the voltage? Voltage is something is defined as voltage is the work done on charge from one point to another. That is very important because work done is actually done from one point to another, which means if you shift the point, the work done will be different. For example, the work done from A to B will be different from the work done from B to C, obviously. So the devices are getting different amount of work done. So I can say that the battery has to distribute the whole work done to R1 and R2 separately, which means here I could say that VB is the voltage across R1 and VBC, here it is VAB, it will be voltage between A and B, that is R1, and voltage between B and C, that is VBC. Well, let me tell you what is VBA or VAB. VAB is nothing but the work done from A to B, WA to B by Q. And what about VBC? VBC is nothing but WB to C by Q. The work done from B to C divided by charge. Which means the points are different, the work done will be different, therefore the voltage will be different. So in a series circuit, let us talk about the parallel connection. As you can see that, let V be the voltage applied in the circuit. As a result of I amount of current is flowing in the circuit. Okay. When the current reaches the point A, what is the tendency? As you can see that it's splitting. Okay, the path is actually splitting into two different ways. So definitely the current has got a tendency to move in different paths. So of course the current will flow in different paths, right? So I can say that the current flow in R1 resistor is I1 and R2 resistor is what? I2. I don't know whether I1 and I2 are same or something. Okay. Anyway, the current will split. For example, if 5 amperes of current were flowing to the junction, 2 ampere actually flows through R1. Definitely the 3 ampere will be flowing through R2. That's simple as it. Okay. So talking about the voltage, what is happening? So I talked about the current. What is happening with the voltage? As you know, that voltage is something that is defined as the work done from one point to another. Here, the devices are connected between A and B, which means the work done from A to B is same, irrespective of the number of elements or number of devices connected between points A and B. The work done available to the devices will be same because the devices are connected to common start and end points. As you can see that R1 is connected to A and B, R2 is also connected to A and B, which means the two resistors are actually lying between A and B, which means they are getting the same amount of work done. So I can say that between A and B there is a potential difference that will be common, and that is actually obtained by R1 and R2. So I can say that R1 is getting a voltage of VAB. The same voltage is actually obtained by R2, that is also VAB. Therefore, in the parallel connection, you can see that the current is different, but the voltage is what?